What you're about to see, most brands will never show you.
This is what they add. This is what they don't put on the label.
What's inside is not what's on the outside. Now you know.
This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
Before it reaches your table, before it becomes cream, it begins here, in the dark, before sunrise. What you're about to see, most brands won't show you.
Send.
This one's from March 25th, 6 days old. Moving into priority shipping for oldest stock. Let's check the order. Looks good. Supermarkets, discount stores, food service. Looks complete. Pallet IDs match. Loading now. Door opening, moving to the truck. All right, heading out now.
This looks perfect, so creamy. Just a spoonful for the recipe. Stirring it in now.
This pasta is amazing, honey. The sauce is perfect.
I'm so glad you like it. It was so easy.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Can I have more?
You want to know what's really in that cream?
This is cellulose, wood pulp. It's a filler, makes the cream thicker without adding fat. It's cheap, it's legal, but it's not on the label. Sodium caseinate, a milk protein derivative, used to stabilize the emulsion, also not on the label. Also legal, also hidden. I kept records for 2 years, everything I saw, everything I was told to ignore. Temperature violations, underweight tubs, unlabeled additives, bacterial counts above legal limits. It's all here. I'm not showing you this to scare you. I'm showing because you have the right doi. The cream you buy is not on the label. It's not what they want you to believe. Now you know. And this is how modern factories produce cream from start to finish. Now you know. The question is, what will you do with that knowledge?